Train your brain. Today's challenge is squeeze the word dot by half emoji. Let's go. Before starting, please subscribe Brain BICEPS channel for more interesting quizzes. Find first word by half emoji. Mickey Mouse. Can you find it by half picture? Nemo. Can you find it by half picture? It's Jerry. Write your answer to comment. Can you find it by half picture? Smurfs. What is that? Sky. The last is very hard. It's easy. Pooh.
Click like.
What is that? If you know this, write comment. Can you find it by half picture? Minions. Can you find it by half picture? Marshall. What is that? Tailing.
Who is strongest, Pooh or Tai Lung?
It's easy. Rubble. What is that? Master Viper. Can you find it by half picture? Rocky. Can you find it by half picture? Simba. I bet you thought it was a dog. Can you find it by half picture? Rider. Can you find it by half picture? Galfried. Can you find it by half picture? Monkey. Where you saw Panda 5. What is that? McQueen. Can you find it by half picture? Mantis. Can you find it by half picture? Baby Boss. It's easy. Master Shifu. Who is Big Master? Can you find it by half picture? Chicken. Can you find it by half picture? Master Oogway. Don't forget subscribe Brain BICEPS channel. Can you find it by half picture? Sonic. Can you find it by half picture? Master Crane.
Hard level coming! Open your eyes and find it only from legs!
Shrek.